Hello everybody. This time we are going to start with change of plans. Of course, all of us can have change of plans. And remember, flexibility is the key. So let's see how we can foresee certain things. There can be a change of plans in various situations and contexts. One could be in emergencies, unforeseen events such as natural disasters, health emergencies. It could be new information or data that has just come in, and at that time also you could have change of plans. It could also be a client or stakeholder feedback. Now, what are your examples of emergencies or new information or client or stakeholder feedback? Another change that could happen is market changes, especially in market conditions like competition or customer preferences can also have change of plans. Or resource constraints. Let's say you're building a particular house and there is a budgetary constraint. Naturally, you will need to have change of plans. Or there is a technological advance. For example, a change in technology like 4G, 5G, and so on and so forth. So what are your sort of plan changes, especially related to market changes, resource constraints, or technological advances? Another one is regulatory changes. There could be changes in laws, and there could also be project scope changes and global or societal events. So there are so many different change of plans that could happen to us. And last could be team dynamics, competitive landscape, or even unexpected challenges. So what are change of plans that you have had? List them out. Put them in the comment box. Let me know so that we will be able to understand all these things better. Remember, it is crucial to recognize that change is a constant factor in various aspects of life and business. And being adaptable and responsive to these change is essential. Remember, flexibility is the key. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe